Elite teams are built on balance,
disciplina,
consistency.
Every detail matters.
And it all starts at home.
Manchester City Yas Residences by Ohana.
A private residential community built on the same values
that drive the greatest football club on the planet.
Homes designed to live in.
Space to focus on family.
To bring people together.
Even play football.
Or just slow down after a long day.
Here, wellness isn't an add-on, it's a way of life.
Green spaces to move. Calm spaces to disconnect.
spazi per allenarsi, per recuperare, per rigenerare corpo e mente.
For the next generation,
The Manchester City Football Academy.
teaching values that go far beyond the game.
Teamwork.
Commitment,
Rispetto,
Yas Canal brings residential calm and the city life together.
spaces for quality time.
e la spiaggia per tutta la famiglia.
When the work is hard,
living needs to be easy.
Manchester City Yas Residences by Ohana.